Hey guys, it's me Annie, and yeah, I got a new room. And in this video, I'm going to give you a tour of my new room. Starting with my bed. So here's my wonderful bed with all my stuffed animals, and then I got the window. Then some more of my stuffed animals until the end. And then at the end of my bed, I have my bookshelf that I keep a lot of my stuff on top, like some pictures of me as a baby and stuff. Here's the first drawer where I keep some of my toys. Here's a second drawer. Here's a second drawer where I keep all my like American Girl doll stuff. And here's my Barbie doll drawer. Right here's my Barbie doll drawer. And then up here we have my bookshelf. And that's my bookshelf drawer. And then here, my dad put a giant giraffe as tall as me. And then here's my art gallery. Has my big name up there. And I already put something up there. See it? Over there. And then here's my wardrobe. Here's my wardrobe where I keep my underwear and some tights and my bathing suits and some other dolls. Then in here I keep my pants and shorts and skirts. Then at the bottom drawer I keep my shirts. Now I'm gonna do my closet. Now I'm gonna show you my closet. It's pretty dark in here right now, so let's turn on the light. Okay, so here's where I keep all my vests and jackets. Then some of my American Girl dolls in their bunk beds. Then I have two up here in this one. Then after that, I have all my dresses. Then up there it says, Live, Laugh, Love. I can't really get it up there because it's so tall. Okay, let's turn off the light. Then come back into my room. Close the door. Okay, and I know my room is pretty small and that's all that's in it, but there's still some more. So this down here, I have like this beanbaggy thing. This is where my mom and dad charge their phones, plugged into the wall back there. And then over here, I have some of my shoes, my gloves, and my hat. So guys, that was the tour of my room, and I hope you like it.